Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today is December 21st, 2021. In this video, I want to quickly run through the crypto market, give you guys my thoughts about where things are at the moment, as well as where I think things might be going in the short to near future. But before I do that, if you guys would do me a huge favor, help me grow here on YouTube by smashing the like button, hitting that subscriber button. I can only grow with your guys' support. And also, if you guys are unaware, when you subscribe to my channel, you're actually entering a giveaway where you could possibly win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV and or an MSI 2060 GPU once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So do me a favor, help me grow, do yourself a favor, do everybody a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Just for reference, we are using Market Cipher as our primary oscillator and indicator tool. We're going to be starting off with Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. The one thing I want to point out to you guys is we have basically not a lot of volume, guys. I would like to see more volume come in. I know we have a lot of green right now, and that's a great thing, guys. We are bouncing just a bit from the other day, guys. We are up 3.76% over the past 24 hours per trading view for Bitcoin. And as you guys can see, though, on Market Cipher B, which houses the RSIs and the momentum waves, the RSIs are now clearly coming back down. With every pump, there's a dump. With every ebb, there's a flow. I'm not saying it's going to reverse totally and come back down and get rejected. I'm just saying that the RSIs, which are a lagging indicator, again, guys, they are pointing back down. So we might be just taking another breather before trying to maintain this momentum to the upside. If we do maintain ourselves, if we are trying to maintain ourselves, I'd like to see a lot more volume come in on the charts right now, guys. So I'd like to see that actually happening right now. This trend line, or I should say this trend line for resistance, is actually still holding up on Market Cipher A, guys. Check out this trend line that I have right here. As you guys can see, this trend line for resistance has been holding up for some time. The more times we knock on a trend line, what happens, guys? The more likely we are to break through it. So hopefully this is the time that we do break through it for Bitcoin. If we do, expect everything else to rally along with it. But again, guys, I would like to see a little bit more volume come in on the charts, guys. Now on Market Cipher B, which houses the RSIs and the momentum waves, excuse me, I can't speak. I'm trying to talk really quickly because I got to get ready for jiu-jitsu. You can see again that we created a momentum wave to the upside, or a mountain range, and right now we are kind of exhausting ourselves and flattening out. Hopefully we just flatten out for a little bit and then catch another leg up, guys. That's what I would like to see happening in the short to near future for Bitcoin. Again, don't front run things, guys. We've seen time and time again we get rejected right around this part in the chart, so keep that in mind. Right now we are just underneath our resistance line, and so far that resistance line is still holding up. So we need to change that, guys. We need to put in more volume, guys. We need to kind of do this on the volume charts. That's what we need to do. Let's go ahead and move on over to Solana. Solana's up 2.55% per trading view. Right now, it is also kind of lacking in volume, guys. I think that's going to be the case for a lot of these assets right now. The crypto market is still unsure. We want to see a clear signal. I think that's smart, guys. We need to see a clear signal come from somewhere in the crypto market showing us that all this consolidation is over before I think everything else kind of pumps again. As you guys can see, though, we're still overall consolidating within this overall wedge pattern that we have here. So far, so good, guys. I know things take time. It sucks while we're waiting, but it is what it is. We got to do what we got to do, guys. Let's go on over to Crow on the 4-hour time frame, just underneath or just on the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement line, guys. This I think was massively oversold, like a lot of other assets. But just like a lot of other assets, guys, we are lacking volume right now, guys. We are not lacking. We are lacking volume yet again. So that's going to be the theme for today, guys, is volume. We need a lot more of it, guys. We need to turn it up if we're going to be actually seeing this get up and out of the hole, guys, for the entire crypto market. We need to get more volume come on in so we can dig ourselves up out of this hole. Let's go on over to Ethereum, guys. Ethereum's doing okay, I guess. It's doing okay. The overall trend line to the upside still intact, guys. We tested it a few more times. Hopefully we stay away from that, because again, same is the truth to the opposite, guys. The more we test support and or resistance, the more likely we are to break through said support and or resistance. And right now, guys, obviously we're still in a downtrend. Overall, this trend right here, guys, to the downside, it is our resistance, and we need to break up and above it, guys, for us to remain bullish. We need to get above these simple moving averages to do that. So we need more volume. Again, the whole theme is going to be volume. We need to do that, guys, on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go on over to Luna. Luna is going to be the exception, guys. Luna is super bullish, guys. If you guys don't know the fundamentals for Luna, Luna needs to be burnt in order to create more UST. So if this is more consolidation, if this is more crabbish action, or even if we slide into a bear market, guys, Luna, I suspect, will hold up quite well. And as you guys can see, it is doing just that, guys. If you guys don't know about Luna, definitely do yourself some homework. Another great Cosmos ecosystem coin or project, guys, do yourself some homework and check out Luna, guys. It is on a tear right now. It's defying the odds and just saying, nah, I don't care. So guys, again, looking really good for Luna, guys. Do yourself some homework. I'm heavily invested in it. Just going to let you guys know, no bias here. I have quite a bit of Luna. I think it's a smart play. Dot, guys, Dot up 3.39% over the past 24 hours per trading view. Same thing, not a lot of volume coming in right now, guys. We need to see a lot more of that. Still in a downwards trend. Actually, we broke this trend that we had here and here, guys. So we need to get above these simple moving averages, both the 50 and the 200, for us to remain bullish. A lot of bullish things fundamentally happening for the Polkadot ecosystem, guys. I would like to see that turn around. I think a lot of people are just worried. They're scared about what's happening with the Fed, what's happening with all this FUD with the Omicron. Yeah, I said it, guys. I'm not particularly worried about it. I've done my homework about it, come to my own conclusions. You might think what you want to think. And again, everybody is privileged to have their own opinion. I'm not, dogging you guys for it, but whatever. I'm just saying, not to go any more into my rant, guys. I'm not all too worried about it right now. The Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, the SPX, all doing fairly well, guys. All rebounding fairly well on the 4-hour time frame, guys. They're doing fairly well. They came down to the 200 SMA on the S&P 500. Bounced off of that. The Nasdaq, guys, same thing. Dow Jones trying to reclaim the 200 SMA, guys. So far, so good. I would like for it to fully engulf this candle right here and get above the 50 simple moving average as well. But time is needed. Time is needed for sure. Let's go on over to my favorite, Atom. Atom trading at $22.67. We're up 5.34% over the past 24 hours. And so far, guys, this is the upward trend line that I have on the 4-hour. Let me actually fix that a little bit because it's kind of janky right there, but it should look more like this right here. That's what I have on the charts for the 4-hour time frame. I would like to see us get above where we previously saw resistance, guys, which is right around $23. I would like to see us break that and then be on our way. Again, if we zoom out on the charts for Atom, guys, you can see that we're still much like Dot in this downwards descending triangle. Actually, a lot of these assets are going to be in descending triangle patterns. But right now, we are trying to ride this trend line, this new trend line that we just formatted, excuse me, I can't talk, earlier this morning, guys. I would like to see us ride that up and out of this downwards descending wedge pattern, guys. Right now, we're looking pretty good on Market Cipher B. We see momentum waves kind of going up, up, up. I would like to see that carry on, guys. Things are looking good. Again, the only thing lacking behind is we need more volume. Come on in. If you guys don't know what's going on with the Atom ecosystem or Cosmos ecosystem, do yourself some homework, because like I said a million times, guys, a bunch of reasons to remain super bullish and to be scooping up at these levels, especially more and more Atom to stake, because guys, things are changing for the Cosmos ecosystem and you guys are going to miss that train if you guys aren't informed. Guys, let's go on over to Secret's up 4.57%. Same thing, guys. We need a lot more volume. We had a volume spike right here. Look at that, guys. We had a really big volume spike happen right here on the charts, but we need to see more of it. The RSIs and everything else along with Market Cipher B showing some real strength, but we need to be following it up with more volume. So again, check that out, guys. On AVAX defying all odds like Luna, guys. AVAX, one of the big plays that I have a lot of Luna. I have a lot of AVAX just like Luna, and I'm super happy about that. Well above the SMAs, guys. That's what I'm watching right now. Again, I would like to see a little bit more volume come on in for it to remain bullish, guys. ADA is $1.26. It is up 2.12%. Again, just consolidating, guys. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not dissing ADA. I'd like to see something come out as far as news and their ecosystem. I'd like to see a lot more from Charles and the developers there working, because right now things are getting real stagnant and a lot of people are kind of giving up. I'm just going to be real. A lot of people are giving up on what ADA should be doing, guys. But that's what I got right now, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm sorry for all the stutters and mutters and utters and whatever I was doing. I was trying to make this really quick with one take because I'm not going to do any edits, guys. It's real up in here. It's raw. But anyway, guys, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow. Hopefully this was beneficial, guys. Like I said, we need volume. I'll see you guys in the later video that I'm going to be making later on today. Peace.